Hello student, in this video I have taken one problem. Last class we have done a problem which is related to your trigonometric ratio. Even this question they have given in the application of trigonometric ratio. But here we won't be using any trigonometric ratio. Now let me just go through the question what is given. You can look here. This is question number 20 of your textbook exercise 18. So what is given? If tan theta plus 1 by tan theta is equal to 2. The expression, the value of this expression is given to be 2. And they have asked you to find out tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta. Now, the main concept here is that if they give tan theta is equal to 2, then directly you can find out this expression. But the problem is what? They have given tan theta plus 1 by tan theta is equal to 2. And they have asked you to find out tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta. We don't know what is P, what is H, what is V. Now how to solve this type of problem? See, this is tan theta plus 1 by tan theta. But I need tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta I need a square. So in order to get a square, what you will be doing? You take this expression, make it whole thing square. So what is the main concept here? You have to do squaring both the sides. So let me just show you the solution of this. So solution, you can see here what is given here. It is given that tan theta plus 1 by tan theta is equal to 2. Here this expression is given. Tan theta plus 1 by tan theta is equal to 2. So I have to get the square. So in order to get the square, what you will be doing is squaring both the sides. So next line you do what? You do squaring both the sides. So let us do it. So it will become tan theta plus 1 by tan theta whole thing square is equal to 2 square. So I have done squaring both the sides. So you can give the reason here in the side, squaring both sides. Your reason is what? Squaring both sides. Now, after we have done squaring both sides, what is going to happen next? Now see, this is a plus b whole thing square. A plus b whole thing square. You have already done this formula right from your class 7 or class 8. Class 8 you have done only. So I will be using that formula. That means I will be using which formula? I will be using a plus b whole thing square. So what is a plus b whole thing square? A plus b whole thing square is how much? It is a square plus b square plus twice ab. It is a square plus b square plus twice ab. Or if you want, you can even write it down as a square plus twice ab plus b square. That means what you can do? You can bring this term here and this term here. It is same. There is no change. So kindly use this formula out here. So when you use this formula out here, what is your a? Your a is this. Your b is this. That means your a is how much? Tan theta. And your b is how much? 1 by tan theta. So use this expression out here in this formula. So what is going to happen next? Let's see. So it will become how much? It will become tan theta whole thing square plus 1 by tan theta whole thing square. That means a square plus b square. The next plus twice ab. Twice ab means what? 2 into tan theta into 1 by tan theta. So 2 into how much? Tan theta into 1 by tan theta. So you have got your left hand side. And what is your right hand side? It is equal to how much? You see, your right hand side is 2 square. Your right hand side is 2 square. What is your 2 square? It is equal to 4. Now, let us simplify it. This tan and tan, you can cancel it. Because 1 is there in the numerator, 1 is there in the denominator. So you can cancel it. So what is going to happen next? So what is tan theta whole thing square? Tan theta whole thing square is what? Tan square theta. It is tan square theta. What is 1 by tan theta whole thing square? 1 square is how much? It is 1. 1 square is 1. And your denominator, tan theta whole thing square will be how much? It will become tan square theta. So, plus 2 is equal to 4. So, what does this imply? This implies that we have almost come to this expression. You see what you have to find out. You have to find out tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta. You have already got tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta. Just bring this 2 to the right hand side. You bring this 2 to the right hand side and see, you got the answer. So the next line, it will be tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta is equal to how much? 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2? It is equal to 2. And that is the required answer. I hope so. This is okay for you. So you please kindly look. Whenever you got any question, try to see what has to be done and which are the formulas you have to use. Okay? Thank you.